Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a grocery haul, how I organize and clean out my fridge, and how I tidy up my kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so to start off, I got some Dawn dish detergent and Platinum, my favorite kind to use. But this is a different scent. I never used this one before, so I really hope I like this one. I got some Glade carpet freshener, 2 new things of Ziploc freezer bags. Well, it's the Great Value brand. A 24 pack of Mountain Dew for Andrew. Some freeze pops for everyone because it's summertime. 3 packs of Capri Suns for Tristan because it's really easier to go. A gallon of milk for me and Andrew, and for making cakes and other stuff. I use milk for my eggs, not for my eggs, but for Tristan eggs. But we got a watermelon and some strawberries for fruit, and I don't like to get too much fruit because I don't want to go to waste. We got some Lay's, some cookies, and fruit snacks and popcorn for snacky stuff, and Cheez-Its as well. And I got a box of Kraft macaroni. It's a really easy go meal. Barbecue sauce and mayo with the ranch packing. We love making this kind of ranch. And obviously Crystal, the best hot sauce in the world. And more ketchup for Tristan and Andrew. I don't really like ketchup like that. More seasoning. We're always running low on seasonings, and obviously garlic salt is the #1 seasoning that we use. Some muffins and a head of lettuce for the ranch. Some lunch meat. I got chicken breast and ham, Black Forest ham. 2 packs of Kraft American cheese, and a pack of Colby Jack Monterey Jack cheese. It's my favorite kind. And also a package of mozzarella cheese for salad and pizza, and also a big pack of pudding for Andrew and Tristan. We got granola bars for Tristan and some applesauce for Tristan. I got strawberry kind, the one with the twisty off lids. And it's unsweetening, so that's really good. And mango peach as well. I didn't get a big box because I wasn't sure if you're gonna like that kind or not. Uncrustables for an easy snack as well. A loaf of bread and eggs. And onto the meat, we have steak, chicken, and ground beef. All this stuff is from Snugs and Walmart. All the orange tags are from Snugs, and they had a really good deal going whenever I got these groceries. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all the groceries we got that day. And now I'm about to clean out and reorganize the refrigerator. So yeah, stay around. This is my favorite part. I love the speed and the time lapse of how everything came back inside the refrigerator. It's happiness for me. It's the small things. And this is how the freezer looked after I cleaned it and organized it. And it's kind of look empty, but we have a lot of frozen meat back there. So yeah, we have food in the freezer. We don't like a lot of processed food, so we really get fresh food. I need to get organizers for the refrigerator to keep his applesauce and his Uncrustables and juices and make everything look more organized and easy access. And I think I'm gonna get them from the Dollar Tree. So the next video I do about organizing would be how I organize my refrigerator. So I'm done organizing. Now I'm about to tidy up the kitchen. I'm pouring bleach down a sink just to keep it fresh and clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also comment below on other videos you'd like to see. Thanks.